Hey guys, it's me, Siswara, and today I'm going to be talking about the new Crazy Dogs animation what is coming to 2014. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome, guys. There's going to be well, basically what the game is it's dogs in dog rolls flying into cat crates, and the cats, blow up and stuff like the Angry Birds. Now, if you don't like angry dogs. I mean, you don't like angry. I mean, you don't like dogs, then that's mean. I mean, if you don't like, if you don't like um, cats. I mean, if you don't like, if you like cats, don't worry. All that's gonna happen is the cats are gonna blow up. I do like cats and I do like dogs, but this is gonna be an epic video. I really hope you enjoy it. Please like it, get in the webcam, like it, and please dislike it and comment down below. But yeah, so guys, please like, comment, and obviously subscribe like Tabasco. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Peace.